Assalamu alaikum, I am Nafisa Islam here to talk about the project Fitness Tracking System, which aims to monitor the body temperature and pulse rate of a patient's body and send those information on the LCD display unit in the doctor's chamber wirelessly. In order to observe the heart rate of any critical patient, or if we need any 24-hour observation of body temperature, during this crucial period of the pandemic COVID-19, our project can be a reliable and painless way for clinicians to take care of patients regularly. An alarm is also being included at the doctor's end, which will be activated if patient's body temperature or heart rate cross the boundary line of normal human threshold value. For overcrowded hospitals and during busy schedules of health staffs, our system will continuously gather data and send those records to receiver's unit where a RF sensor will catch the data and will help doctors to evaluate any patient's condition.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Rizwana Mahfuza. Now I'm going to explain the Arduino code used for our project. At first we included liquid crystal and timer 1. After that we set the pins for the LCD. After that we initialized some variables. LCD can show 20 characters in each line. From HP sensor 4 nong pin is selected as input. In pin nong 2 pull-up switch is connected. We imported timer 1 library from Sketch. It's used for running and periodic interrupt function. LCD is cleared and LCD cursor is selected here. Heartbeat per minute is printed. Here one line gap is there which we will see in Proteus. We set the variable in A1 pin for reading data. Here we converted temperature variable from analog to digital. Now we set the cursor 03 and print it accordingly. When the push up button is low, then HB count starts. After that, HB check equal to 1. Then when the 4 nong pin is high and HB check equal to 0. After that, after 10 seconds, heartbeats that we counted will be multiplied by 6. On the virtual terminal, it will be printed. HB start check equal to 1. Time in second will be increased by 1. After that, we compile the Arduino code. Here we can see a hex file which we will copy and paste it to the Arduino of the Proteus.
Hello, I'm Yaminur Rahman and I'll be talking about the Proteus software simulation part of our project. In Proteus, we have used an Arduino, a heartbeat sensor, an LED, a LM35 temperature sensor, and to transmit the data wirelessly, we have used Modulo TX, Modulo RX, and a virtual terminal. So, when we press the button once, the heartbeat sensor starts to take the heartbeat per second and shows it to the LED including temperature. And after taking the heartbeat per second data for 10 seconds, Arduino calculates the heartbeat per minute and shows it to the LED and sends the data through Modulo TX, and Modulo RX receives the data wirelessly and shows it to the virtual terminal including temperature.
Hello, I'm Mohammad Taib, and this is the 3D model that we've used for our project. Here's the component that we've used, and here's our end user device, and this is our doctor end device. So we've designed these semi-closed devices so that the circuits are seen in better view. So this is our Arduino in the end user. After rendering the image, we can see this image. So there's our Arduino, and there's our pulse sensor, and there's our temperature sensor. This is the RF sensor, so that we can transfer the data to the doctor end device. Here's our LCD display, so that we can show the result to the patient, and here's our battery. In the doctor end device, there is also a RF sensor, so that we can receive the data and can show the detailed information in the doctor end device.
Our project fitness tracking system is hoping to have high accuracy and richly calibrated. It can measure body temperature and pulse rate remotely, which have been shown on our LCD display on both receiver and transmitter end. It makes the users as well as doctors aware of the health condition of patients easily from a remote place. It is also portable, highly scalable, and most importantly, cost effective, which is really apt to a developing country like Bangladesh. Thank you.